Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install Tor browser in Kali Linux. Please watch full video and subscribe this channel. Tor browser is free and open source browser where you can browse and explore anonymously. Tor browser is protect our privacy. First of all, we have to download Tor browser. Open up any browser and search for torproject.org. I will also give link in description. Now simply download Tor browser for Linux. Save the file. Click on Show All Downloads and open Tor browser folder and simply drag and drop to desktop. Now extract the file to desktop. Right-click on File and select Extract here. Open the Tor browser folder and go to Browser folder and select Start Tor browser file. Now here search for Tor browser bundle and change 0 with 1 and save the file. Close all the file and folders, and run Tor browser setup. Tor browser is installed. Now you can browse anything anonymously. Move Tor browser into the desktop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video.